Alright, hey there guys. I am back with some more Clash Royale, and I know that I promised a brand new video on last Friday, but more notifications popped up with my iPad, and that kind of messed up the whole entire thing. And as problems are now going with the app, I can't really get on it for some reason. So I'm gonna just uh, bring you guys another Clash Royale. Hopefully the app starts to work again soon, maybe. But I'm gonna open up all these chests right now. A lot of people are using Hog Riders. That's like one of the biggest cards in the game right now. Alright, next chest. Gold. 1 minion horde. Cool. I have a lot of these cards to upgrade that I will eventually use later on. Zaps, now that's the card I'm willing to take. Fireball, that's another card. Alright, this one then, the golden chest. Cannons, alright. Mini P.E.K.K.A, perfect. Alright, this is the golden chest right now. Hopefully there's something really good in there. Gold is always good to have. 3. No. At least I unlocked a new card. But still no. Perfect. It was the furnace that I unlocked. Yep. Fire Spirits level 3. There. I'm gonna request another mini P.E.K.K.A. And I will probably keep that throughout this whole entire deck. I am saving up coins to upgrade my balloon, and epic. I'm thinking about keeping the skeleton army for a very long time because it proves to be useful a lot. Alright then, I'm gonna just fill up these chest slots, and I'm not gonna talk anymore because my throat is hurting. And also enjoy the video. Alright guys, well that was a very short battle. Mainly these two were people that were trying to get into the lower arenas to most likely troll. Well, this was a short video, I guess. But you know what? In the comment section down below, with the cards that I have right now, I'm gonna go through them slowly. Those cards, I want you guys to make me a deck, and I will test that deck out, and I would use that deck weekly to you guys' extent. So 2 decks, all I need. It could be the ones like these cards that I already have in this one. It could be those, but just moved over to this one, or this one with different other cards. Well, I guess alright then. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, and hope you enjoyed the video.